Hey, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Yesterday, I smoked a 23-pound brisket, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an amazing leftover brisket pizza on fermented pizza dough. So you can see, Jamie, if you pan over that, it's just part of some of our brisket that's left over. We got a couple things on the go here right now, but I'm gonna take some brisket, I'm gonna chunk it up. I'm gonna take some green and red pepper, give it a quick pan fry. My good buddy Dan always suggests that. He's a bit of a pizza guru, to remove some of the moisture from your vegetables so you don't have that liquidy mess on your pizza. I've also previously caramelized some onions, so we'll use those. And instead of using a pizza sauce, we're gonna use this amazing Traeger Q barbecue sauce as our base on our pizza. Then we're gonna finish it off with some mozzarella and a little Parmesan oregano. So let me start cutting up some brisket and we'll start to build this pizza. We want these in to be somewhat bite-sized pieces. A little bit of a fat line that runs through this, but that's not a big deal. So let me just work on this and we'll be right back. All right, I got a little prep work done. Quick sear on my peppers here. Got my pizza dough pushed out. I must say, it's gonna be one of the first times I've eaten barbecue pizza, but I've never made one in my own house. So we're just gonna use some of this barbecue sauce here, and we'll use a brush, and we'll just gently coat our dough. You could cook this right on the Traeger, but today I'm gonna cook it in the oven. I've had the oven preheating at 550. I've got pizza steel in the oven. A lot of people use pizza stones. My pizza stone I had years ago actually cracked in half, and I found this pizza steel, and it's this really heavy chunk of steel specifically for doing pizzas, and it works fantastic. So that's what I've been rolling with. So we're gonna grab some of our caramelized onions here. And we'll try to spread those out the best we can, being cognizant not to rip our beautiful dough we have here. If you've never had caramelized onions, they're like this sweet nectar of the god. They take a little while to cook, but it's certainly worth it. And it's not that like raw onion flavor you would think of when you think of onions. It's really, really sweet. So I think that looks like it's pretty sufficient. So we'll put that aside. So we'll start adding our brisket. So we should get a really, really beautiful looking pizza when it's all said and done here.
Brisket in every bite.
Brisket in every bite. I was concerned that I wouldn't have enough here, and I was contemplating cutting more, and Jamie said, no, you got enough. So listen to my man, Jamie. So mozzarella cheese. And then I like to put my veg on top because I find it helps cook them and give them a really cool bright color on your finished product. Take our peppers, just sort of throw those on here randomly. So just a standard green and red pepper. Hit the pizza with a little bit of banana peppers for a little bit of heat, and again a little bit of some more color. So not going to go too crazy on the peppers. I know Jamie's not a hot guy. Hot is in temperature of food hot. And lastly, we're just going to grab some fresh parm here, and we're just going to grate some on top. So I got a microplaner, and we're just going to give a good amount of Parmesan oregano on the top of our pie. Let's head over to the stove. You'll see I'm going to leave it on the parchment paper. I'm going to cook it for 3 minutes on the parchment paper, and then I'm going to use my pizza peel to slowly lift up the pizza and slide out that parchment paper. So you'll see the pizza steel here. There it is. So we'll slide that in like so. We'll set a timer for 3 minutes, and we'll do a little bit of cleanup. All right, so we got 10 seconds left on our timer of 3 minutes. So we're just going to carefully reach in and pull that right out like that. And then that obviously goes in the garbage. There's our timer. We're going to cancel that timer, and we're going to set it for 7 more minutes.
A few minutes later.
All right, I'm going to pull our pizza out there. So beautiful colored pie. In retrospect, I probably should have put the brisket on top of the cheese, but nonetheless, it's gonna taste amazing. Amazing idea to make a pizza with leftover brisket. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you on our next episode.